See this practical setup, only the difference is at the end uh, we are using here different types of microwave antennas like E-plane sectorial horn antenna, H-plane sectorial horn antenna, pyramidal horn antenna and parabolic reflector antenna. So in this experiment we will change all the antenna here and we will look at the effect on the receiving signal, that means gain. Okay, so what are the difference between E-plane, H-plane, pyramidal horn antenna? So see here, as you know, the dimension, this is a major dimension of waveguide and minor dimension of waveguide. So if we flare the major dimension, you can see here, if we flare a major dimension, then it becomes a H-plane sectorial horn antenna. And if we flare the minor dimension of the rectangular waveguide, then it is called E-plane sectorial horn antenna. So see here, this is a minor dimension is flare, see like this, that's why this is called E-plane sectorial horn antenna. And here, as you know, we have flare this one, okay, major dimension, and that's why it is called H-plane sectorial horn antenna. And we can flare both dimension. Okay, so if we flare both dimension, major and minor dimension, so see here the area, this is called aperture area. So see here, this is the aperture area for H-plane sectorial horn antenna, this is the aperture area of pyramidal horn antenna, and this one is the aperture of the E-plane sectorial horn antenna. So these are the different types of at the receiving end we will use parabolic reflector as a receiving antenna. And you can see here, this is a detector mount, so we can detect the signal and we can see it on the CR. So see here, right now we have received the signal by using E-plane sectorial horn antenna. See here and see the effect. This is a line of sight, you can see here, line of sight. Both antennas, transmitting antenna and receiving antenna, both are line of sight. And see here the effect on signal. I am using my hand as obstacle. See here, the strength of the signal is going to decrease. See here, this one. See the effect. Okay, so especially this is used for line of sight communication. Right now I am changing the position of receiving antenna. Right now both are in line of sight, that means theta is equal to 0 degree. I am changing the position of the receiving antenna and you can see the effect on the signal. See here, right now see the effect. Okay, see 0. Same way you can change the position of the antenna other side. So again see here, again it is 0. So we are going to get maximum output only at line of sight distance. Okay, see here, this is the line of sight exactly. Okay, strength of the signal is if we look at it, see here, this is the maximum. Okay, so in this setup we have changed here the transmitting antenna. So earlier you have seen that E-plane, H-plane, pyramidal horn antennas we can use at this end, transmitting end, but right now here this one is a parabolic reflector antenna. Okay, and at the receiving end pyramidal horn antenna is there. So we are receiving the signal through pyramidal horn antenna and you can see here the signals. Right now both are line of sight, so that's why we are getting a maximum signal at the receiving end. And see here, I am changing the position of the antenna and look at the effect. Strength of the signal is changed. See here, it is going to be 0. See here, right now this is 0. Same way you can change the position of the antenna in counter direction. Okay, again see here the signal. After that see here. So these all antennas are high gain antenna, okay, and that's why we are getting, see here, the gain in the particular direction only, okay, very high gain. After that we are not going to get the signal. What does it mean? The main beam in the radiation pattern of this antenna, that main beam will be narrow, okay. So if the beam will be narrow, what does it mean? Directivity is increased, gain is increased, and half power beamwidth is decreased, okay. So that's why you can see here we are getting maximum output when transmitting antenna and receiving antenna both are aligned.